Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. You read the title, you know what it is. Kyvox Ender, I accept your challenge. Wasn't actually a challenge. So the gauntlet has been thrown down. I have been called out and challenged on what these two hands can create. You might beat me on this one. The homie Kyvox Ender is also working on, he's actually working on 2 Funko Pops and far further along than I am, but you know, I do what I can. He's working on 2 Funko Pops. I am working on 1. You can see my weird little beginning stage of that. He made some glasses for the Funko Pops. I wear glasses. I wasn't at all thinking that I was gonna make glasses. But now I think I have to. And I've received yours. Let's timestamp this. I've received the glasses that you so graciously made for me, and they're perfect. So I'm probably gonna end up using those anyway, but here's a link to how he did his glasses, and I'll show you how I try to do some glasses. Yeah. I cheated a little bit, and I used the glasses that I received as a template. I just sort of traced them out on pieces of wood. What I'm gonna do first, and then I'm just gonna roll with it, is I'm going to drill out the lenses just so that I can get a blade in there or a file in there and cut it down to where it needs to be, and then just cut around the outside and hope for the best. Oh, and some files, but I'll get those later. You'll see it later. You know what files look like, right? Well, you hounded me for that. I don't understand. You don't know what that looks like? What are you doing in this channel? I'm kidding. I don't mean to insult you. But if you don't know what that looks like... Okay, I said I wasn't going to insult you. Okay, so class, what did we learn? Is it possible to make these by hand and have, you know, sort of accurate representation of like glasses? Sure. Would I recommend that you do it? No. No. There are plenty of places. I happen to have found someone that was very nice and sent these to me, Kyvox. Again, thank you very much. Because this is a ball ache. I don't want to do this. I don't ever want to do this again. It's totally possible. Do I recommend it? No. What would I suggest? If you're making something this small, get a file of it, throw it in Illustrator, send it on to like Shapeways, have them 3D print this for you, or maybe your local makerspace. You can go and get this laser cut like Kyvox did, because this is a whole lot of work. I mean, it took me maybe an hour and a half, to do this. I ended up using my rotary tool, my Dremel. I love that thing. I always want to use other stuff to make stuff, but it always ends up being that's the perfect tool for the job. It cuts, it shapes, it sands, it does it all, baby. I don't know what that was. The other wood that I mentioned, super splintery, bro. It wouldn't cut right, it wouldn't shape right. I drilled into it and one of them split on me. I tried again, and the cutting, it was a lot of tear out. It's very splintery. Can you do it? Sure. Did I put my heart and soul into this one? Probably not. Because I have some that are perfectly made, so, you know. I'm doing this because I said I would. Yeah. Did you enjoy this? I kind of did. It was a nice little project. But again, yeah. Ooh, it's like a 2-finger ring. Hold up. Changed my mind right this second. I changed my mind. Actually, what I made was these dope nerd glasses 2-finger rings. Brooklyn, cuckoo, yeah. Sorry. Roll the thing.